everybody. I'm excited today. I have had on my wish list one of those little ovens, and every time I go to buy it, they're sold out, sold out, sold out. I've been watching the reviews and everybody seems to just really love them. And I'll tell you what, in my van over the last 2 years, I have wanted to, bake a little pizza or make some cookies or some muffins or just anything. I've been wanting to bake something. So when this thing finally came available, I jumped on it. So that's what we're going to do today. We are going to unbox the oven, put it together, and try for our first batch of cookies. Wish me luck. Pretty excited about it, actually. Okay, there we go. So it's not very wide, it's not very big, so I should be able to store it pretty easily. At the bottom part here, and there's little tabs down there that just have to connect. It's pretty simple, it's pretty straightforward. Let me finish setting it up real quick. Slots, okay. Easy enough, guys. Nothing to putting it together or taking it down. Looks like the most important thing is 8-inch square or round pan is what you need for it. But anyway, these are what I got to make. I love pumpkin spice anything. So yeah, I know it's cheating, but oh well. A lot easier than, getting all the ingredients out and mixing it all up. Let's get the oven heating up to 350 first. Here's a problem. All of my things in the van are plastic. I certainly don't want to go all the way to Walmart to get a little tray that'll go in here. I wanted to just put the cookies on this tray, but then once I open it up, it's going to be all, not sure how I'm going to do this. I'm going to let the heat out when I open it up and try to get the rack put back in. I guess I'll just put it on the aluminum foil and then just slide the foil in. Okay, so I guess now we just wait. I'll close my doors so I wouldn't get the wind blowing in. Got the fire going underneath, and I'll watch a video while this thing heats up. It's only taken about, probably 10 minutes at the most to heat this up, and it is coming right up on 350, so I'm going to... The one thing I just thought of is you need to make sure you have a full can of butane, or at least, half, because if you get halfway through cooking and your butane runs out, see, I'm not sure how you're going to get to it to change it. So yeah, first tip I got for you, make sure you got a full thing of butane. This thing has had no problem staying right steady at 350. Boy, oh boy, I still have 6 minutes to go and I am starting to smell cookies. This has been a pretty good experiment. And check out my cookies. I think I'm going to make some hot chocolate and enjoy these. Well, guys, I would say that was a complete success. Those cookies were really great. And I think while I got everything set up, I'm going to make another batch, or maybe two, because I know this evening I'm going to be laying in bed wanting some more cookies. And I don't want to set this whole thing up again while it's set up. I think I'm just going to go ahead and make some more. Temperature's starting to drop, so the little bit of warmth in here that this thing is kicking out is really kind of welcome. Anyway, that is my adventure for today. Thank you for joining me. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It really helps me out. And I hope you watch some of my other videos. Bye, guys.